Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I am Aris Kashif.
And I am Huya Tamoor. Today's bulletin will include smog crisis, 27th Amendment debate, and Mamdani's global remark.
And at the end, we will have an upcoming session with rapper Sosa.
Smog is getting worse across Punjab. In Lahore, Gujranwala and Faisalabad, AQI has crossed 300, which is hazardous.
Doctors says this is now a public health emergency. Schools in some areas are partially closed and people are advised to wear masks and stop going outside.
Experts say that the main causes are crop burning, industrial smoke, and traffic pollution. Visibility is also very low on roads.
Government has formed emergency anti-smoke committee, but citizens says that long-term policies are needed. For more details, we go to our reporter, Mohammad Abdullah.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Mohammad Abdullah and I'll be talking about the severe crisis Lahore is facing right now of the smoke. The air quality has once again fallen down to dangerous levels and people are even facing problems having to breathe air. The experts say the main causes for this smoke are heavy traffic, industrial waste burning and industrial smoke. It is also advised that people do not go out unnecessarily and children and elderly people especially do not go out, and if they have to, they should wear masks. The government is taking strict actions so they can reduce smoke significantly. They are even inducing bans and fines on industrial wastage and burning. Thank you.
The 27th Amendment has sparked a major political debate, but political parties says that it will disturb the balance of power.
The government says it aims to improve governance and clarify rules between institutions.
Public reactions are mixed. Parliament will discuss it in the next week.
Mamdani said in a recent lecture that modern conflicts cannot be understood without colonial history.
His remarks went viral among students and academics.
Analyst says his ideas are relevant for developing countries like Pakistan.
Before moving on, we have a special news package about the open house event.
Let's watch the package.
Assalamu everyone, my name is Tayyib Faisal and I am from Newlook Smart Home Automation. Newlook Smart एक कंपनी है जो घर, होटल्स, whatsoever ऑटोमेशन की तरफ आती है. ऑटोमेशन क्या चीज़ है? ऑटोमेशन है कि बेसिकली आपके एक सिंगल टच से आपके घर को आपके पास कंट्रोल दे देती है. आप जहाँ भी बैठे हैं, wherever you sitting in the world, you can control your home with a touch of phone. ये लोग आजकल builders, architects are mostly using automation because of that. 15 लाख 10-15 लाख की 1.5 मिलियन 2 मिलियन की आपने ऑटोमेशन करा के इट कैन ऐड वैल्यू टू योर होम बाय अप टू 5 to 7 मिलियन. इससे करके आपकी घर की वैल्यू भी ऊपर हो जाती है. अदर देन दैट, इस चीज़ को देखते हुए लोग जो फैमिलीज आके रहती हैं, 1 to 2 फैमिलीज आके इकट्ठे रहती हैं, जो वो चाह रहे होते हैं कि हमें उठ के कहीं जाना ना पड़े, कोई चीज़ टच ना करनी पड़े. ऑलरेडी हमारा कुछ सारा कुछ कंट्रोल हो थ्रू द फोन और सेंसर्स. ह्यूमन प्रेजेंस सेंसर होते हैं, जैसे आप दरवाजे को पास थ्रू हैं, आपकी लाइट्स ऑन हो जाएंगी. फिर उसके बाद एक और चीज़ आती है, कर्टन मोटर्स, ऑटोमेटेड कर्टन्स. आपने स्केड्यूल टाइम रखा हुआ है, सब कुछ स्केड्यूल रखा हुआ है. एट 6 AM 7 AM योर कर्टन्स विल ओपन एंड एट नाइट 6-7 PM योर कर्टन्स विल बी क्लोज. ये आपकी वो चीज़ें जो आपको किसी चीज़ को कहना नहीं पड़ रहा, कोई टच नहीं करना पड़ा, ये खुद ही ऑटोमेटिकली खुद ही चीज़ें हो ही जा रही हैं.
Now it's time for our fun segment. Joining us is rapper Sosa.
Welcome, Sosa. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me.
How do people describe you, rapper or artist?
Artist. I just like being creative.
Did you ever think you'd be featured on national media?
No, to be honest, I never expected that because I started on a very small scale and still have a really small fan base right now. And I never expected that because of this reason. And I really appreciate you guys calling me here.
What is the first thing you think of when freestyling?
The instrumental always.
Any upcoming rappers you follow?
Yes, I know a lot of young talent online like Netspend, Xavier Sobest and all them. I always try to support new artists whenever I find out about them.
Any new music coming soon?
Yes, I have a EP coming next month.
That's exciting. Best of luck.
That's all for today. Thank you, Sosa, for joining us.